you know the best way of solving this particular question here? This 1 over 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 3 dot 27 raised to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 729 raised to the power of negative 1. Do you? Okay. I encourage you to watch to the end because there are some tricks here you have to discover, and those tricks will help you in the future. So watch this video to the end. Here is the solution. Here's the solution. We have 1 over 3 raised to 2x plus 3 dot, then there is 27 x minus 2 is equal to 729 raised to power negative 1. Okay, so what do we have to do here? What do we have to do here? Okay, I think we have to look for the simplest factors of these two terms, 27 and 729. Actually, we have to find the factors with respect to 3, because 3 is the smallest number. So let's start with our 27. How can we write 27 in terms of 3? Here is 9 by 3, 3 by 3, here is 1s. So in other words, 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. What about 729? Is it divisible by 3? By the nature of the last figure, which is 9, there is possibility. Okay, so by 3, what do we get here? Here we get 2, then 4, there 3. Okay, this one by 3 again. Here I'm getting 81. By 3, here is 27. By 3, here is 9. By 3, here is 3 times. And by 3, it goes there once. So this 729 is the same as writing 3. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 raised to the power of 6. Like that. Now there we can proceed rewriting this one. Rewriting this one from the format. You can see this is a fraction, this is a whole number, this is a whole number. So let's use one format. Either to make all of them be fraction or all of them be linear numbers. So 1 over 3 is the same as writing 3 raised to power negative 1. So here we have 2x, then plus 3. Dot means multiplication. Dot means multiplication. 27, we said this is 3 raised to the power of 3. Then outside there is x minus 2 is equal to the right hand side, which is 729, of which can be written as 3 raised to the power of 6. Remember, it's power negative 1, so it will be power negative 1. Okay, what does it tell us now? According to the rules of indices, that if I write a raised to power n, then power m, this is the same as writing a, then power n times m. Okay, I think you remember this concept. So if this is the case, then when you multiply this one, we shall get 3 raised to the power of negative 2x. Then negative 1 times 3, this will be minus 3, like this. Then it times, this one will be 3 times x, this will give us 3x. And the 3 times negative 2 will give us minus 6. This equals 3. 6 times negative 1 will be equal to negative 6, like that. So on the left hand side, we have to recall another concept of exponents. We have to recall again another concept of exponent, that if I have a raised to the power of n, I multiply by a raised to the power of m. This is same as writing a power n then plus m, like this. Okay, so if you use this concept, the left hand side now will become 3, then to be power negative 2x minus 3. Remember, we are adding, so plus this will be 3x, then minus 6. That's our left hand side. On the right hand side, we shall have 3 negative 6. 3 power negative 6. Okay, so negative 2 plus 3x. Okay, so it is 3. Then negative 2 plus 3x. This gives us x. Okay, then negative 3 plus negative 6 gives us negative 9. This will be equal to 3 raised to power negative 6, like that. Okay, now here we have another concept which you need to recall. If you have expression like this where you have the same bases but the powers are different, or the indices are different, then as long as these ones are the same, for it to maintain the same value, that you get the same quantity on the left hand side and the right hand side, then these ones must also be equal. So this implies that x minus 9 will be equal to negative 6. Solving, taking this number to that side, it's negative on the right hand side, when it close an equal sign, it becomes positive. So we have x will be equal to negative 6 plus 9. We get our x to be equal to, this is positive 3. So therefore, the value of x, is positive 3. So that's our final answer. Thank you for watching. Can you put your comment? Don't forget to put your like, and also you can refer to your friend by sharing and keeping for future use. Thank you.